In every challenge, our Filipino values guide us: kapwa, loob, pakiramdam, and pananagutan.
I can finish this project alone. My groupmates are busy.
Excuse me guys, dapat pinagpilong ako sa Dubai kasi isa itong pagkatang gawain. Morning guys, sorry I'm late.
That's Jamaica's responsibility, not mine.
But this part of our kapwa, he should help. If you struggle, we all do. We can ignore her. Let's help her instead of her. Even we're unnoticed, right? If we work together, we'll be faster and better.
Come on, Dixon. This is not about grades. It's about living as one.
Yes, teamwork makes everyone contribute, not just one. Jamaica, I can feel how stressed you are. That's why I want to help.
From my heart, I know I was wrong. I helped sincerely.
As a group, I know we have all our responsibility, but we didn't finish it. But it is what Papa is, helping each other as a class.
Together, we're stronger. That's the true story of Filipino.
When you live these values, new challenges.
Now we know we can achieve more when we practice kapwa. When we live with kapwa, loob, pakiramdam, and pananagutan, challenges becomes easier and unity grows stronger.